How can I make exercise a part of my regular routine? Make everyday activities more active. Even small changes can help. You can take the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk down the hall to a coworker's office instead of sending an email. Wash the car yourself. Park further away from your destination. Be active with friends and family. Having a workout partner may make you more likely to enjoy exercise. You can also plan social activities that involve exercise. You might also consider joining an exercise group or class, such as a dance class, hiking club, or volleyball team. Keep track of your progress. Keeping a log of your activity or using a fitness tracker may help you set goals and stay motivated. Make exercise more fun. Try listening to music or watching TV while you exercise. Thank you for watching.